bowls. How many fish are there in all? There are 2 methods to find the number of fish in all. So, let us start. Method 1. Here, we add the number of fish in each of the fish bowl. Let us do it. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So, there are 20 fish in all. Look! Here, we repeatedly added 5 4 times to get the answer. Now, let us see method 2. Here we would be multiplying the numbers. Let us see how. There are 4 fish bowls. Each bowl has 5 fish in it. So, here we multiply the number of fish bowls with the number of fish in each bowl. So, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Thus, there are 20 fish in all. It can be read as 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Or 4 5s are 20. When we compare both the methods, we can see that multiplication is repeated addition. Now, let us look at another example. There are 3 bird houses. There are 5 birds in each birdhouse. How many birds are there in all? To get the total number of birds, we add the number of birds in all the 3 birdhouses, that is, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. That is, 3 times 5 is 15. Using the multiplication sign, we write it as 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So, there are 15 birds in all. Now, let us look at the ways to write a multiplication sentence. This is called horizontal multiplication. This is called vertical multiplication. Certain terms are also used for the numbers in a multiplication sentence. The number that is multiplied by another number is called the multiplicand. The number by which another number is multiplied is called the multiplier. The number obtained by multiplying 2 numbers is called the product. Numbers that give a product when multiplied together are also called factors of that product. Here, number 3 is the first factor and number 5 is the second factor. They are called the factors of 15. Let us look at one more example. There are 2 leaves. There are 5 ladybirds on each leaf. How many ladybirds are there in all? Here, by adding, we get 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And by multiplying, we get 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Hence, there are 10 ladybirds in all. Hope it was fun to learn the concept of multiplication with the fish, birds, and the ladybirds.
Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do July month's syllabus chapter, that is chapter number 4, multiplication. Yes students, before doing the multiplication, just I want to make clear about the concept of multiplication, that what is the multiplication. Yes, so understanding this concept, watch the video carefully and see these examples. Yes, here we start. Yes, here is observe the pictures and fill in the boxes. Here you can see picture is given. Yes, what is the question asked here? How many wheels are there in the following tricycles? Tricycles means a cycle that is having 3 tires. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. In every picture there are the 3 tires and wheels are there. Yes, in first picture 3, in second picture 3, in third picture 3, in fourth picture 3 and in fifth picture 3 wheels. Yes friends, now what is the question asked from us, that how many wheels are there in the following tricycle? Here there are the two methods to find out that how many wheels are there in these tricycles. Firstly, this is method 1. We will add all the wheels of the tricycles. Here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tricycles, and every tricycle is having 3 wheels. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3, these become 15, means there are in this picture 15 wheels. Yes, in another way we can say there are the 5 groups. You can see here there are the 3 wheels first group, 3 wheels second group, 3 wheels third group, 3 wheels fourth group, 3 wheels fifth group, and we can say 5 groups of 3 wheels. 5 groups of 3 wheels, and we have calculated it 15, and we can write it as 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15 wheels. Yes friends, see one more example here. What is the question here? How many legs do the following animals have? And here you can see in one picture 4 legs, in second picture 4 legs, in third picture 4 legs, in fourth picture 4 legs, in fifth picture 4 legs, and in sixth picture 4 legs, and we will find out that how many legs are there in this picture. So here first method is, we will write here 4 plus second picture 4 legs plus third picture 4 legs, fourth picture 4 legs, fifth picture 4 legs, and sixth picture 4 legs. When we will add all these 4s, what we will get? 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 plus 4 20 plus 4 24. So we can say in this picture there are 24 legs. This is the method 1, that we can find out number of legs like this. And what is the second method? Here we can see this is the first group. In this first group there are the 4 legs. Yes, this is the second group, this is the third group, this is the fourth group, and this is the fifth group, and this is the sixth group. So we can say 6 groups of here are the 4 legs. Yes, 6 groups of 4 legs, and that is 24. And we can also write this 6 multiplied by 4, that is 24 legs. Yes, yes friends, see one more example. How many shoes are there in the following picture? Here 2 shoes here, 2 here, and 2 here. Yes, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So there are 6 shoes. Yes, we can see how many groups are there? 3 groups. We will write 3 groups of 2 shoes. So it will become 6. And in another way, how we can write? 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Yes, now see one more example relating to this concept. Yes, how many muffins are there in the following picture? In this picture we can see 5 muffins. This is the first group. Yes, and this is the second group. There are the 5 muffins plus again 5 muffins. These are the total 10 muffins. Yes, now we can see here how many groups are there. 2 groups are there of 5 muffins. Yes, now these are the 10 muffins, and we can also write 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 muffins. Yes, friends, now see the last example relating to this. How many spokes are there in the following wheels? In first wheel, how many spokes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can say 10 spokes are there. 10 spokes in next diagram, and 10 in next, and 10 in next wheel. Yes, so how many spokes are there in the following wheels? We will write here 10 spokes here. Yes, 10 in another wheel, 10 in third wheel, and 10 in fourth wheel. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, these are the 40 spokes. Yes, so we can write here how many groups are there. This is the first group, this is second group, this is third group, and this is fourth group. So we can write 4 groups of 10 spokes, and these are 40. Yes, then next is another way to write this. 4 multiplied 10 is equal to 40 spokes. Yes, friends, when we add the same number again and again, as here we have added 10, the same number we have added again and again, means 4 times we have added this. It is called repeated addition. This is called repeated addition, means here we have done addition 1 time, then second time, then third time, and then fourth time. We have repeated this addition, so that's why it is called repeated addition. And repeated addition, that is multiplication. So we can say multiplication is repeated addition. Yes, multiplication is shorter and faster way for repeated addition. In case here we have added 10 4 times. Yes, while we are adding these, we will get time. Yes, if directly we are multiplying these, 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40, it is shorter and faster way, so that's why it is called multiplication. Yes, this is repeated addition, and if we write like this, this is called multiplication. Yes, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Here is repeated addition, but if we write in the multiplication form, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6, it becomes multiplication. This is called multiplication. The symbol for the multiplication is this. Yes, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 is a multiplication fact or statement. Whenever any multiplication fact like this is written, we will say that this is the multiplication fact, or we can say this is the multiplication statement. How we read this? We read it as 3 times 2 equals 6, or 3 groups of 2 equals 6, or we can say 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. This result 6 is called the product. When we multiply two numbers, the answer that is called product. As for example, 4 5s, this is 20, so this 20 is called product. If 2 7s, 14, what is 14? This is product. This is written as multiplication fact, and in this multiplication fact the product is 14. Yes, friends, hope you have understood this multiplication concept. And one thing important for this multiplication, that is learn the multiply tables. Yes, so learn the multiply tables from 2 to 9. Firstly, learn the multiply tables from 2 to 9 and do their written practice also, so that you can do the sums of multiplication easily. Yes, hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.